Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are doing question number 34 from H.C. Verma book Concepts of Physics 1 from chapter number 2 Physics and Mathematics. According to the question, the thickness of a glass plate is measured as 2.17 mm, 2.17 mm and 2.18 mm at three different places. Find the average thickness of the plate from this data. Before doing this question, let us understand how to find the average. Suppose we are given a data as A1, A2, A3 up to AN. Suppose we have n data. So to find the average of this data, suppose A bar is the average value. Suppose this is the average value of this data. So A bar would be equal to summation of all these values, that is A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to AN. So I am representing that as summation AI, where I is equal to 1 up to n. Divide by the number of values. In our case we have n values, so therefore divide by n. So this is how you find out the average of n values. In our case we have only 3 values, so therefore to find the average, suppose A bar, that would be equal to summation of all the data, that is 2.17 plus 2.17 plus 2.18, summation of this data divide by the number of values, that is 3 in this case. So this value would become 6.52 divided by 3. This will come out to be 2.1733 m. Now, as in our case, as in the question, we only have digits with we only have numbers with 3 significant digits. So we have to round off our answer up to 3 significant digits only. So if you do not know the rules of 3 significant digits, let us see some of the rules. The first rule to round off the decimal numbers would be determine the rounding digit and look at the right hand side. Now we have to determine the rounding digit. Rounding digit in our case is 7, and we have to look at the right hand side of that. As we have to keep only 3 significant digits, therefore the last digit is the rounding digit, that is 7, and we have to look at the right hand side, and the right hand side contains 3. This 3 is the right hand side of the rounding digit. Now according to the second rule, if the digits at the right hand side are less than 5, consider them as equal to 0. In our case, the digit to the right hand side is 3, which is less than 5. So therefore we will consider it as 0. So therefore we will neglect this 3 and we will declare our answer to be 2.17 mm. Now suppose our answer was 2.176. Suppose this was the answer which we obtained. Now according to the third rule, if the digits at the right hand side are greater than or equal to 5, then add +1 to that digit and consider all other digits as 0. Now as we have 6 as the right hand side digit of the rounding digit, which is greater than 5, therefore we will increase the rounding digit by 1 and we will neglect all the other digits to the right hand side. Therefore in this case we will declare our answer to be 2.18 mm. We have increased the rounding digit by 1. So in the case where the right hand side digit is greater than 5, we will increase by +1, and where the right hand side is less than 5, we will keep the digits same. I hope you have understood the rules of the rounding of decimal numbers. Thank you.